You didn't get into this for Hollywood stardom. You're not here to become Time's Person of the Year. Because this isn't about glory, is it? No. You got into this because you had the guts to build something. Something meaningful. Something good. Your business isn't about the sign on the front door. It's about the other people you can feed with your dream. See, what the outside world doesn't understand is that behind every 5-star review is about 500 hours of blood, sweat, and tears. And come hell or high water, slow days, snow days, rush hour rushes, even shutdowns, you're going to show up and unlock that door. The good news? We'll be right there with you every step of the way, without rigid contracts, without hours waiting on hold, and without unfair fees. Just great technology, local service, and a commitment to grow with you, not because of you. SpotOn. Your business is our business.